Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use SmartLink in Cyberpunk. SmartLink is a powerful system that guides your bullets, significantly improving accuracy. To activate it, you need both a smart weapon and the SmartLink cyberware installed. When aiming down sights with a compatible weapon, the system highlights targets, making it much easier to land your shots. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know. To begin using SmartLink, your first step is acquiring the necessary cyberware. This essential component is installed in your hands. You can visit any Ripperdoc across Night City to purchase and have it installed. Several Ripperdocs offer this crucial upgrade, which is fundamental for unlocking the full potential of smart weapons. Without this cyberware, smart weapons function like standard firearms. Once your SmartLink cyberware is installed, equip any smart weapon from your inventory. In combat, simply aim generally in the direction of your enemies. The SmartLink system will then guide your bullets, even allowing them to curve around some obstacles to hit targets. Remember to consider enemy cover, as while bullets can curve, direct line of sight often yields the best results. Practice makes perfect with this system. To truly master SmartLink, consider investing in your character's technical ability, as certain perks can significantly enhance smart weapon performance. Explore different smart weapons, as each offers unique firing patterns and effects. Combining SmartLink with other synergistic cyberware can also create powerful combat builds. Experiment with various strategies to discover what works best for your playstyle and dominate Night City.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.